In this video we are going to execute a file from the local system to the Hadoop system by using FLUMES. So for that, initially we need to go into the directory where we have the config file of FLUMES. Let's do that. Now we are going to the Apache Flume, and inside of that we are going to the config. Here we are already we will create a Flume file from which we want to configure the properties, so that we will send the file from the local system to the Hadoop system. Already there is a Flume config file from which I already sent a input one text file from the local system to the Hadoop file system. Now we are creating another config file so that we will we will write the properties to send that. Now right now we want to send our input text to word file from the local system to the Hadoop file system. So let us copy this file location. So we will get to know the location by Control L, and we will copy this location. Now in the flume1.config we will have write the code. Here this so now we want to give here the command cat. So all our path of the input local system we are giving here. So we will paste here. So we are giving the cat and the home directory location of the file input word.txt that we have copied right now and pasted here. And now we are also changing the HDFS location to be given. So here HDFS path is the path location of that. So we are giving the path location as HDFS localhost 9000, and the directory name like flume 02. Let's give as the directory name as flume2. So in flume2 we will get the value, and then here we have the tail and the channel in the sync, and we will execute the command, and we have channels. And now let us save the file. And now we save the file. Let's get so flume1.1 config is the created file. So now we will execute this config file. We already started the Hadoop in the background with the start -all.sh, and all the files are running. We can check here. So all the files are running already, the server is running. And now to execute the command that to shift the Hadoop system to shift the file of input word.txt from the local system to the Hadoop system. So we are running the command using the debug mode. So just we got out from the config directory, and we are in presently in the Apache Flume bin directory. From here bin -flume ng and agent config and /config -f config. Here we are giving the file which we want to execute, that is flume1.config, and -n agent1, and the -d flume.root.logger and debug, and just run the code. Let's say it's running. Let's just wait for a second. So here our path got created, and our configuration got started, and say processing is happening, and after that here renaming is happened, and also renaming of HDFS file, closing of the file is everything done. So let's check in our HDFS. Let's So here we are checking whether it is available in our Hadoop system. So we created in the flume02 directory, so we are able to see that here flume data, and in that let's see whether the data is there. See, that's this is a text of our file which we copied from the local system, so it is present, so it's executed. That's with our flume file directory, and that's we created. That's we shifted our file from the local system to the hdfs using flume. End of the video.